Hey everyone, today we would like to introduce you to Sri Sri Villa, a luxurious family house in Nadiad, Gujarat. Designed by Ace Associates, this is the story of a house which is also the visiting home for spiritual guru Sri Sri Ravishankar. Let me give you quick specs. Spread across a large plot of 1 lakh square feet, the bungalow has a built-up area of 13,000 square feet. A double-height central courtyard connects the interiors to the nature and also establishes an interaction within the house. If you want to know more about this project story, click on the link mentioned in the description below. It will take you to our website buildofy.com, where you can become a member and download full PDF ebook including detailed floor plans, section elevation with dimensions, and the material palette. You can download 250 plus PDF ebooks of the houses pan-India. Till then, I hope you enjoy this walkthrough video.
This house is named after Sri Sri Ravishankarji. This Sri Sri bungalow is located in the outskirts of Nadiad city. This lot of a site is connected with a overbridge over the National Expressway. When our clients walk in with the requirement that they wanted to build a house which has a lot of greenery, good amount of a landscape around the house, and it should be the Vastu compliance as well. So we were in search of a plot which offers all this feasibility. So in fact, we needed a bigger land. They had one farmland just outside the Nadiad city, which is around 1 lakh square feet of the land. So we advised them to let us separate 40,000 square feet of the area and let us build and design the house here. The other requirement than the built-up area was when the legendary Sri Sri Ravishankar is visiting the house, lots of followers and people are visiting him. So we wanted the outdoor spaces to be treated properly, so once he is here, he can use the meditation courtyard and use the garden as bigger gatherings. So this layout of this house, we have kept it very simple, because the specific location of the specific function was defined by the Vastu Shastra, where the central courtyard plays the heroic role in the entire house, which connects each and every open spaces with the central courtyard at the lower level and the upper level.
This is the main entrance for of the residence. So once go on the right side, there is a formal living where we have used a contemporary style interior. We have used a youth size painting, designer sofas, white with gold to give a luxurious interior tone.
This is double-heighted vestibule space of the house, which is well connected with the central courtyard. And this is meant for the formal visitors we have in the house. We created a nice memory wall of the pictures of the owner with Sri Sri, and which is documented well on this double-heighted wall. This space has a good green vista of the outside garden.
Now here we are at the private space of the residence. This space is designed in such a way that family sitting, dining and kitchen are interconnected. So all the family members are well interconnected at all the time. The design theme in this area is kept on a minimalistic style. But we have added a punch of colors in this part to add a more life in it. Dining table, this crockery unit, kitchen, everything is customized on site. Architecturally, we have designed this space that this dining space, family sitting space, all spaces have an outdoor extension as well, easy access to the outdoor space from where we can just have a view of a garden and it's a covered part. We haven't used any metal safety grills as well, any bars for it. So we have used these pre-laminated doors which saves us from heat, noise as well as it ensures the safety in it. This space is designed due to Vastu Shastra compliant. This is the center part of the house. We have used a water body fountain on the northeast part of the courtyard as well as a sculpted tree. The seating part in the courtyard adds more life and people likes to sit over here when there is more harsh sunlight on the outside part.
We are into the spiritual space of the house, which is puja room, located in the northeast corner of the house as per the Vastu Shastra. So this room is done with the white marble, white wall finishes and the ceiling finishes to keep it more calm and serene. Where you see the puja temple itself done in very unconventional way. The arch-shaped partition which has a fabric finish, and we just put a peacock feather style metal jali in the background of the idol itself. So while doing the worship, you can have an extended view of the meditation courtyard and the green garden. In this room, in the another corner, the owner has documented some religious article of H.H.Sri Sri Ravishankar. Right now, we are into sunken court, which is mainly used as a meditation court, well connected with the puja room and the veranda space, which is surrounded by the water body and visually connected with the grand green garden we have. This garden has an approach from the outside for the visitor through this gazebo structure. The material palette about this sunken court is vitrified tile, which is replicating the Indian Jaisalmer stone, and we did a beautiful motif tile in the center of this sunken court. The monolithic form of this house has been rendered with the hammer finish plaster, and we kept the exterior of this building of white because it is complemented with the large green spaces surrounded by the landscape and the garden. This ground floor master bedroom belongs to the younger son of the owner. This room in the very contemporary and young aesthetic styles. All the furniture and the articulation and the decor is in a minimalistic style. We have employed a black GVT tile, glossy tile as a floor. Wall is a grey stucco plaster and furniture has a white PU paint. But the main beauty of this room, according to me, is the interconnection between indoor and the outdoor. We are into the walk-in closet and master toilet of the master bedroom. We have expanded outdoor shower area with the greenery and little bit of a landscape. The black glossy reflective surfaces throughout the floor and the wall of this toilet enhance outdoor light and the greenery and the beauty of the outdoor much more into the interiors. Right now we are in the courtyard space of the master bedroom on the ground floor. The concept of these space has been evolved from the restriction we had. This is the outer compound wall of the entire campus. As being the outskirts bungalow, we had some serious security restrictions as well. So we came up with the idea of one very minimalistic wooden swing, beautiful greenery along with the wall, and motif kind of a floor we have in the courtyard.
This bedroom on the first floor is dedicated to Sri Sri Ravishankarji, and wherever he used to come to this place, he used to stay in this room. The aesthetic of this room reflects his aura. That's why we have kept this room very calm and peaceful.
This bedroom on the first floor, which is a master bedroom located in the southwest corner of the house as per the Vastu Shastra. So this room has a very white aesthetics, very light color, and we have added little bit of a punch of a color in terms of the reclining chair. This southwest bedroom has a good view of a farmland and a wide vista of the greenery on the south side of the house. Northwest bedroom on the first floor is for the daughter. The use of pastel color, light hues, make it true to the age and taste of the user. We have kept layout very simple and spacious, and with this bedroom is accompanied with the walk-in closet and the toilet. End of the day, the entire house has been evolved such a way that it gives very peaceful, calm and serene experience. The inside and outside are well merged, and clients are so happy with the entire experience living in this house.